He's got some merch.
Most important meal of the day, that isn't it? Your first tea.
If that's your first tea, I feel very sorry for you.
It is my first tea, and I've been up since like 4.
Where? Why were you up since 4?
Just because that's when I wake up.
He's as insane as you.
Well,
When they say like dogs are like their owners.
dog, come.
Dog.
That's actually his name.
His name is Dog.
Come on, dog.
He's a carpenter like his dad. Have you seen the pencil he's got? So we're going for red on Kev. Red seems a nice colour. Red with a hint of metal. Wedding. And hammer. The problem is with Max, I think he's a bit of a perfectionist. There's more filler on this now than there is metal. Because he wants it absolutely perfect. But hey ho, who's complaining? He knows what he's doing and I don't, so... Carry on! Yeah, there's so much work to do, isn't there? So much work to do. And we're going to get sanding. So we're going to get lots of masks on. Because, you know, social distancing. Keeping safe. He's in Swindon, I'm not. And we're going to sand this till it's sanded. So, let's get on. Tea first. Yeah, we're professionals. I also like the way you've jacked it across the place where there's no support for the chassis. So it probably just crushed the floor now. Well, it did before. It sunk straight into the floor. When I did that before. Mind you, I had the engine in at the time. Yeah, just put your arm on, that's it, you get your head under the wheel. Yeah, get your head right under the wheel as you let it down. You want some help, Max? You could just lift it up by hand. That is solid in there. There you go. Sort of. Right. Sort of. We're out the side. Clear? Toes are clear. Watch your face. Face clear.
Somehow I'm not worried about this tiny thing crushing you.
I think it would probably still hurt.
I think I could lift this off me quite easily.
Yeah, in a panic, but I don't think I'd want that option. I'd rather the option of not having to lift a knee off my face.
This needs probably the most work out of all of it.
No, it doesn't. This is like, it's perfect this side.
Sometimes I can't tell when you go to the
It looks perfect. Looks like you've painted it the wrong colour. You know, I didn't want a red Mini, but... Well, I want a red Mini, but the Ed doesn't want a red Mini.
Yeah, that's right. You should know that.
Actually, I'd like an orange Mini.
Oh! Now that I can get behind.
Orange and black? Oh, this looks so cool. Okay, well people, we've sanded a lot, and I spent 6 hours on that boot. So that's the highlight of my day.
Ooh, that's the colour that it's going to be.
Is it going to have those swirls in it?
Hopefully, that would be nice, wouldn't it?
Just pour it on, and see what happens.
Just let it go on the roof. And just
The drip effect.
Better. Yeah. This needs more work. This whole area here needs more work.
Hopefully the battery's died down.
This area here is actually surprisingly not too bad.
The sides are fine. The
Yeah.
roof is done. The front
roof-
is pretty much finished.
The roof is not done. The sides are pretty much done. The back is actually pretty much done.
The boot.
The boot is pretty much done now as well. Yeah. So how do you feel?
Frustrated.
Disappointed?
Not in you. I'm disappointed in myself.
What a sad story. Right then, please.
I'm taking a video capture moment. Are you happy with what the bonnet did? Duff bonnet?
Better than the boot.
Yeah, that's true. Well, to be fair, anything's better than the boot.
Nope. Not anything.
The roof isn't better than the boot.
The roof is not better than the boot.
Is it though? I mean, at least you know what to do with them. You don't really know what to do with the boot.
I know.
Yeah, throw it outside.
Just keep standing.
Well, I pretty much sanded all the paint off this wing, but that's okay. We've added more filler. Till next time!
Piggy out.
Bacon off the pan to eat.